Hello everyone, I am Shivam Thakur. Welcome you to my YouTube channel, Shivansh Tech guys. I hope you all are doing well practicing your AutoCAD learning sessions. Guys, today we are going to understand the rotate command. And the short key for activating the rotate command is RO. And if you are using the older version of AutoCAD, so you can enter RT there for activating the rotate command. So alright guys, let's understand. Basically rotate command is used to rotate any object, any line, any circle at some specified rotation angle or at any degree. So alright guys, let's understand how it works. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and do subscribe to my channel. For activating the rotate command, we can go here in modify command bar and we can select rotate command from here, like this here. I just selected. I have drawn these two lines here. This is now I've selected rotate command. This is saying for select object. I have selected this object, this line, then click space or enter. Now this is asking for the base point. I just give here. So alright guys, now we can see this is our line. If we will rotate this line to clockwise direction, then we need to enter the negative value, and if we will rotate this line to anti-clockwise like this, then we will have to enter the positive value. So like guys, I enter this to anti-clockwise at 30 degree. Now I'm gonna enter the positive value at 30 degree. Then this will come like this. Then I have enter here. So we can see the line is here. So alright guys, let's understand. If you wanna check the dimension, so you can go here on dimension. You can check angle. Basically it was a 90 degree angle, and here it is 60 degree. So alright guys, I hope you understand. Let's try once more, and this time we will rotate this line into clockwise direction. Then enter RO to activate rotate command. Then select object, then space. This is asking for the base point. I just click here. Now I'm gonna enter the 45 degree. Then I just click here. Sorry, just get back it. Cancel. This is not working actually. Then click RO, select base point here. Then enter the rotation angle and negative 45. I have entered, and now this has been angle. Basically this is the, if you wanna check, so you can also check here. Select angular dimension, and this degree would be 135. Now this is 135. So alright guys, this is the basic concept of rotate command. How we use rotate command. Basically there is more options in auto command. Let's understand that. I have drawn a rectangle here. I have draw. Let's select rotate command. I just click here, and then select object. I just select, then space, give the base point. I just click here. We can see if we will give any angle here, then this object will be rotated. And if we want to rotate another object like this, and we wanna take this object like as it is, so for this we need to select the copy command from here. Then we can enter C for copy. I just click here. The one object as we have made is all still here, and the other one object has been copied, that would be rotate. I'm gonna enter the 45 degree here, and I have enter. So my second object, one more object has been copied, and that has been rotated at 45 degree angle. So if you wanna check, so you can also check here angle, and you can check the degree between these two. This is approx 45. Let's check it. Dimension, then angular, 45 degree is this. So alright guys, I hope you understand. Let's get back this. This is the copy, and there is one more option in rotate command. Let's draw one more line like this. I have drawn here this line here, something like this, and move this object here. Alright guys, if you wanna rotate this rectangle or this object in this line with reference to this line, and you don't know at how much degree this line has been drawn. So you don't need to measure the degree and then enter here. You can directly rotate this with a line to this line. For this, select rotate command, then click here, give the base point. I just click here, and here we need to select the reference. We need to enter R for the reference, then space. Now this is asking for the reference angle. We just need to click here. Now second angle, I just click here, and we need to click on this line. I just click here. So our object has been aligned to this second line. Still we don't know what was the angle of this line, but we can rotate our object with reference to any other object. So I hope you understand the rotate command, how you can use, and if you like the video, please like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. Thanks for clicking.